Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in CapCut PC. It's super easy, so just follow these steps with me. After you've created your project, added your video, and placed it on the timeline, you might notice that your audio has some background noise. Let's fix that. First, click on your video in the timeline. When you see the white border appear, that means the clip is selected. Now, go to the top right menu. Here, click on Audio. Inside the audio settings, you'll see different options. Look for the one called Reduce Noise and check the box. Once you enable it, CapCut will automatically process your audio and reduce background noises. This makes your video sound cleaner without you having to do anything complicated. You can also adjust the volume here. Either raise it or lower it, depending on how you want your final audio to sound. And that's it. That's how you remove background noise in CapCut PC quickly and easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other tutorials in this playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.